Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of my C++ tutorials. Today we will write a soundboard. If you may remember, like 10-15 years ago, there were like those calls going on Ventrilo and TeamSpeak 2 and so on. There was like random people talking, like Schwarzenegger or some random people somebody recorded. So what we are going to do is we will create something like this. So for this we create a new Qt project and we have like a regular main window program, and what we do is in our main window UI we grab a grid layout and pull this in here. So in the grid layout we add for now 11 buttons, 11 push buttons, 10 of them to play sounds and one of them to stop the current sound just in case you need to stop it at some point. So there go 10 buttons. And we will rename those buttons to button, well, let's call it sound 1. Sound 1, sound 2. Okay, that would be all 10 buttons. Let's add another button, and that button we call stop. Okay, so that's just about what we are going to have to do here. We go into our main window.h and we will add a public slot which we will be using to connect our buttons. So we do void button clicked, and just for the ease of purpose, to make it really simpler, we will make this 10 times, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then void stop. So we go through here, then 10, close that function. Also what we do is we will implement a media player, QMedia player, pointer player. We will include QMedia player, and we go into the soundboard.pro file here, and where we have core GUI we add multimedia. Then what we do is we run qmake, and then we build a project to make sure that we don't get any errors with the QMedia in the beginning. Okay, that is expected. This is undefined references. That is expected. So, since it's undefined references, let's implement those references for now. Void main window, min window. What do we call those? Button clicked. Button clicked. And I will just copy this 9 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'll just rename those 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next we will implement is the stop function. Void main window stop. We will implement that function later. For now, let's give these buttons some code, some functionality. We create a new player, QMedia player, which we will be using to play sounds. And then now we are connecting the buttons. We do UI push button. So we grab the push button and we call the signal clicked. So we do &q push button clicked, and the receiver is this, meaning this class, and the function will be button clicked. So now we have to do this for all 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we will have an individual one for the stop button. So let's add 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oh, I can't type, and 10. And respectively, we have to do this at the end here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay, so that is the buttons connected. Had a brain fart here. So let's go to the next one. We go to button clicked, and we try to find out now how do we get the current path. So for that we do qstring path equals qcore application dir path. So application dir path calls the current path the executable is in. Wherever you call the executable from, it will be inside that path. So qstring file equals path plus / plus 1.mp3. So we will be playing the sound file called 1.mp3 on button clicked. Okay, and though we do player set media qurl from local file, then we do file, and we can set the volume, so player.set volume to 90, and then we call player.play. This leads us to the stop function, where we simply call player.stop. That is all we do in there. Okay, so that is for this. Now let's do something horrible and copy paste that everywhere, and then rename the file name itself. There's a lot of copying, I know, and you're not supposed to copy. I know it's dangerous. Yeah, so let's copy the files over really quick. The names, I mean, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so after this is done and we build the project, you basically have to copy a sound file or like a clip, a sound clip called 1.mp3 up to 10.mp3 into the folder where you execute your program from. And this is basically what you get. And oh, wrong one, I want to move this around a little. And then you press sound 1, and you should hear this. So I press the stop button and it stops. So this is the program basically. Have fun playing with it, changing it, or have fun annoying some people. Hello again, thank you for watching my video. If you liked the video, why don't you press the subscribe button and consider supporting me on Patreon, or leaving a comment there to see what future projects you would like to see from me. Thank you very much.